Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. Today's style is actually one that I just posted to Instagram, but I'm aware from the giveaway that a lot of you don't have Instagram, so I thought I would bring this to you guys as well since it's doing so good on Instagram. But yeah, it was actually a style that was supposed to be posted to YouTube, but it didn't go the way that I wanted it to, and the tutorial was a mess. So I just cut it down to a quick tutorial and posted it to Instagram, but I'm going to bring it to you guys and hopefully we can master this style and yeah, make it cute again. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, first steps are to figure out where you want your part to be. I had my part kind of far over. Somewhat like a side part. Of course, it took me a while to get this part together because I had to make sure that it was perfect to me. So yeah, guys, once you get the part, you want to braid this little tiny section, kind of like a parted braid, well, a braided part. And it's going to be really cute. Just watch. Okay. Now I'm going to apply gel to my edges. So I can make sure that I'm going to be able to sleek it up into a good ponytail. I sprayed water on my hair already. That's why it's slicking up so well. Okay, I gotta make sure that I don't cover that braid. So I'm messing up already. So you want to put it into a ponytail, but you can't have your ponytail coming too close up because then it will cover the braid. We're going to start adding our gold pieces, and I start right here in the front. I tighten it up like that, and then I smush it down just like that, okay? And I'm going to alternate between gold and silver. got this idea from Jackie Ina. She has a lace front that she wears, and she has like this part, and she always has the little gold pieces down the middle, and I thought it was so cute, so I just added it to this style, and I thought that it turned out really nice. I think I'll squeeze one more right there. So it looks like that. Now I'm going to put my hair into a bun, okay? Guys, I'm about to attach a drawstring ponytail. Not because I have to, but because I want to, and I feel like I can get a larger bun that way. But when the company posted my video, it was commented online quite a few times that I could have actually accomplished this style with my own hair, and I'm very much aware of that. Like, that was common sense. But I don't always make my hair tutorials for people who have the same length as mine. I'm aware that there are plenty of hair tutorials online for people who have long hair. Like, that is so easy. But I like to have a variety, and a lot of times I think about the fact that other people don't have a certain length of hair, so therefore they may be using drawstrings, and I enjoy using extensions and, you know, adding ponytails and stuff, so why not, you know? So yeah, if it's not for you, it's not for you. That's fine. But you don't have to comment the obvious. And I was just like, make the connection, please. Make the connection that everyone does not have long hair, so therefore everyone isn't able to make a bun. So this tutorial would be for them, or for that person who wants to wear a drawstring ponytail because they can. My nose running. But yeah, that's it. Rant over. So yeah, I have my better length drawstring ponytail. A lot of these things I have, and they're just sitting around, so I like to use them when I do hair tutorials. And yeah, I wanted to use my drawstring ponytail, and they like went in on a sister because I wanted to use my drawstring ponytail. But I feel like we need videos out like this for those people, to show them that it's possible to wear a drawstring ponytail that is natural textured and it look like your hair, you know? Like, if someone doesn't make this content, then it's just not out there for those people that need it. And I enjoy doing it, so why not? Like, I know how to do my hair. I've been natural for, what, 10 years now? 10 years? Has it been 10 years yet? 9 years? Something like that. Anyway, it's been a long time. I'm tired of styling my own hair. So I add weave whenever I'm doing tutorials, and in my daily life, I wear my hair. So yeah, I'm going to take a piece and I'm going to braid it. Now this step wasn't really needed. I just thought it would be something cool to add. Just to add a little extra something to it. I'm actually going to place it differently from the way that I did it on Instagram, because I did feel like it was hidden. And I'm also going to add a few of those jewels to this braid as well. So I only have 2 gold ones. That really sucks. So I'm gonna have to load up on my silver ones. Silver, silver. Gold. Gold. Gotta get creative, girl. Okay. And what I did here was I took the hair up. Okay, it feels like my combs are lifting. To my drawstring. Make sure those combs are in there good. Okay. So I did it like this. Twisted it around. And I did something like this because the style that I was actually going to do involved me having like a piece of hair pinned here and then all of this loose. But then I realized my drawstring ponytail wasn't long enough for that. So yeah, that's how I ended up with this style. So we're spinning this around just like this. And we're going to begin pinning it, okay? So my bun looked a little different from what it looked like in my tutorial, so I tried it again. You guys know how much of a perfectionist I am at times, and my drawstring ponytail kept lifting up. I don't know what was going on, but we're gonna fix it. So I have a feeling that this style is not going to look the same this time as it did last time. I'm okay with that. Okay. And I just rolled the other end on around into the bun so that I can tuck it. And our bun looks like this. And now we're gonna do that. Just add a little something to it. But I don't want the backs of that to show, so I guess I'll do it this way, and I'll tuck. I'm gonna pull this, push this one up, and tuck it there. And I did that just to make sure that our braid would be seen, and I'm going to pin the braid, the beginning of the braid, to make sure that it stays in place. And I think we're good with everything else. These pins right here. Y'all know I hate when bobby pins show. So that is our style. Now I'm going to turn around and show you guys how it looks. I think it looks different from the last one. Yep. Okay guys, so that wraps up this tutorial. I hope you guys like this style. You don't have to do so much accessorizing. You could actually go without the braid if you want. But I just wanted to add a little something extra to it because it can be kind of extra at times. But yeah, I hope you guys like this style. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Lilly. And I will see you guys at my next video. Oh, did I say I will see you guys at my next video? I will see you guys in my next video. See you later. Bye.